Welcome back to the show, guys. We have a lot going on today, lots of changes on the leaderboard. Another Nasdaq strategy just leaped into pole position, which is sharp NQ. We're going to take a closer look at that strategy in a moment, but let's take a step back and talk about these Nasdaq 100 strategies for a minute. Something I noticed is that so many of the top strategies either day trade or swing trade, specifically the Nasdaq 100. In fact, currently 3 of the top 5 strategies all trade the Nasdaq. So why is this relevant? Why am I bringing this up? Well, maybe this means there is something truly advantageous about trading the Nasdaq. But when I look at how often the leaderboard changes, I can't help but wonder about the long-term viability of trading. It's reminiscent of a well-known fund manager who famously quoted, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." He's essentially saying that active trading is doomed to fail. And this makes me think about the track records of these strategies. Most traders on the leaderboard only have about a 1-year track record, which makes me wonder, is it even possible to make money trading in the long run? Maybe, or maybe not, but there are 1 or 2 Nasdaq strategies on the leaderboard that give me a lot of hope, namely TQQQ Aspire. This strategy has had 6 successful years, not just 1. And to me, this says that maybe, just maybe, that day trading and swing trading can be profitable long term. Perhaps retail traders have some inherent advantages over big institutions. Large funds can't just sell their Nasdaq 100 positions if they think the market will be volatile on a Friday or if they expect a bearish week. However, a strategy manager on Collective2 can turn on a dime. Perhaps this level of flexibility is the source of the alpha we're seeing on the leaderboard. I did promise we'd check out that strategy that's currently in first, so let's do that. That's a good looking strategy, I'd say. And Quant Wizard actually has a little note on the community social with their website link, and I've actually already checked it out and I spotted something quite peculiar. The strategy manager did a back test of his Nasdaq 100 strategy, which you're seeing here, and if we hover over the time span of the COVID-19 crash, there's virtually no drawdown here. As you can see, it's more or less flat. How does the back test of what looks like a long only strategy have almost no drawdown during COVID-19? The last several trades were all longs, but maybe the strategy does take shorts. Or maybe the back test is overly fitted. Or maybe the strategy is just really good at detecting bearish conditions because it looks like there just wasn't much trading activity during that COVID crash. You know what? I'm actually going to go ahead and message the strategy manager. I took a look at your Nasdaq 100 strategy back test on your website. How does what looks to be a long only strategy have virtually no drawdown during the COVID-19 crash? So in the next episode, I'll let you guys know what Quant Wizard replies with. And just for the tough question, I'm going to give the strategy manager a heart. And by the way, if you guys want to reach your strategy manager, this is probably your best bet. They literally see the community social when they're on their own strategy page. And you don't even need to be subscribed to the strategy. I'll see you all in the next episode.